Did you know that many of us find our wallets empty by the end of the month? It's a common struggle, but with some planning and smart strategies, you can save money each month. Today, let's talk about budgeting and saving effectively. Hello and welcome. If you're looking to achieve financial freedom, reduce debt, or live a more frugal lifestyle, you've come to the right place. Creating a budget may feel challenging at first, but with the right steps, it will soon become second nature. The first step in budgeting is knowing where your money comes from and where it goes. List all your income sources: salary, side gigs, or any passive income. Next, track your expenses. Start by listing fixed, essential costs like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. After covering these, take a look at your non-essential expenses, such as eating out or entertainment. Cutting back here can free up money for savings. Examine your non-essential expenses. Are there subscriptions you don't use? Could you cook more instead of dining out? Or limit entertainment spending by enjoying free activities like reading or going to the park? Cutting back in these areas doesn't mean depriving yourself, but making smarter choices that add up to big savings. Now that you understand your income and expenses, it's time to build a budget. The goal is to balance your needs and wants while saving for the future. Be realistic about what you can afford in each category. A helpful guideline is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essential needs, rent, bills, etc., 30% to wants, entertainment, dining, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This method ensures you stay on track and prioritize saving. Now, let's focus on saving. Own a separate savings account. Set up an account dedicated to savings and transfer a fixed amount each month. Treat it like any other bill. Look for discounts and coupons. Before purchasing anything, check for discounts, loyalty programs, or cashback offers. Every little bit helps. Limit credit card use. Credit cards can encourage overspending. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest, and only use them when necessary. Free or low-cost entertainment. Instead of spending money on costly outings, look for free activities. Visit parks, attend free events, or borrow books from the library. Budgeting isn't a one-time task. You should review your budget regularly, at least once a month. If your income changes or you find yourself overspending in one area, adjust accordingly. It's important to remain flexible so your budget stays relevant to your needs. Achieving financial freedom is a long-term goal, but small steps can lead to big success. Start by cutting unnecessary expenses, saving consistently, and sticking to your budget. Over time, these changes will help you build financial security. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.